Today we're going to read a model of a personal narrative. We're just going to focus on the beginning. As we're reading, I want you to think who are the main characters and what is the setting. The title says, A Good Deed on a Snowy Day. It was a cold and wintry day. Usually my brother Caden and I would have school, but not today. We had a snow day. Dad did not have a snow day. He still had to go to work. I'll probably be home late, he said with a sigh. Travel will be slow with all the snow. I know that this is a personal narrative because the story is about a person telling the story using the pronoun I. So I want us to think back to those questions that we asked in the beginning. Who are the main characters? So far we have the narrator and their brother Caden and Dad. What is the setting of this story? We hear a cold, wintry day. We also can think maybe this is happening at their house since they're talking about I'll probably be home late. They're talking about their dad going to work. They don't have school today, so we're assuming that they're at home.